G80 M3 or A90 Supra. Which one should I take? Or better yet, which one would you guys take? I've said this once and I'll keep on saying it until the day I die. It is a blessing and a privilege to be able to own both of these amazing cars. Obviously, they're not Lamborghinis, they're not Ferraris, but I don't care. They're still amazing cars. I kind of wanted to take the M3, but I don't know if you guys can tell, it is absolutely filthy because it was underneath the car cover, whereas the Supra, the rain was kind of washing it from the pollen, so it's actually a little cleaner. So for that reason, I actually might take the Supra. So tonight, I'm gonna be doing something I used to do a lot more back when it was nicer out, but since it's been winter, it's been cold, it's been raining, it's been snowing, we haven't been doing this. We're gonna be going on a little night drive to Times Square, me and my friends Sticks and JD. Oh, bro, it smells like home. Honestly, I say this all the time. I think the M55 sounds better. By the way, I'm aiming. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, man. Yeah, the M55 sounds better, but the B58 sounds more aggressive.
Yeah, you know I think yours sounds more like deep.
Yeah.
It sounds deep. I do all the work myself, so.
That's what's up. So you got Captain Sound Mic.
So you know those little, it's kind of like a valve. It's like a valve. So
valve
like,
controller?
Kind of, like, I don't know if you can see it, but like, so I have,
bro, this thing is nice. My buddy just got the new G30 540.
Oh, I
yeah.
So
this thing is
I have
sick.
A little controller, but it's like before the mufflers. It's like a pipe right there, and then it comes out.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah, right?
Oh, it's the dump tube. It's the dump thing. Whoa.
Whew. I turn it off.
That's sick. Oof, those fumes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That thing sounds ridiculous.
Bro, it looks insane. Is this a wrap?
Yeah.
The interior is sick too on these cars. Bro, these seats, what? Man, I should have brought the M3.
I thought you was going.
I was going to.
It would have been.
What's that?
How fun is the Supra?
Bro, it's like a toy. It's legit driving the Supra because it's so small.
Yeah.
And it's got so much power. Like driving like the M3 feels like a video game. I don't know how to explain it. Like driving, when you drive it, this probably feels like the same way.
Yeah.
It just feels planted and it feels like, but the Supra is a little sketchy. Especially because I got Westlakes on it right now.
Okay.
Yeah, but the previous owner put them, not me. But I've been too cheap to get some proper tires on it.
I get what you're saying, because I had an F82 M4, and it's a big difference from that.
Yeah.
It's really fun to drive.
Yeah, no, this thing is mad fun. And now it's like all actually like, oh, look at that bird poop. Now everything's good on it. Like there's no issues on it. It's just the tires. That's the last thing I got to change on it. This thing was rebuilt. Look, we got a mini car meet. M6, 440, Supra, 435, 535.
You look at
Impromptu. Bro, I love this car though. Should I do the yellow accents? Yellow brake calipers, and then like other yellow accents. Like on a custom steering wheel, the stripe.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Brake calipers, and then seat belts.
That'd be really cool.
Yellow seat belts. Bro, it looked like the Batmobile.
Yeah.
Because I'm not gonna wrap it. I'm just gonna leave it black. Yo, Derek.
My boy.
It was nice meeting you, bro.
Yo, I'm gonna follow you on YouTube, bro.
Yeah, for sure, man. We make friends everywhere we go. All right, super turn.
Yeah. Don't be trying to show me out, alright?
You got the rainbow in here or what?
I'm trying to change, but my app is not working. I don't know why. My app actually.
Taste the rainbow. I like almost forgot how to use these things. Yo, check.
Hello?
Yeah, it works.
Hey, all work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Hey, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for whatever, I'll be front and center. Don't fly too close to the sun, your body chopped up by propellers. Came in arrogant, but left out in the stretcher. The comparison, y'all know y'all couldn't replicate it. Chilling in the desert, I'm good under pressure. This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles.
And here we are, Times Square.
That's the crown on me, wear a
you know what this reminds me of?
What?
It's gonna sound like kind of sentimental. This brings me back to like when you first sat in the M3 for the first time. And if you remember, there was a car meet in Cross County. And if you remember, there's 2 black Supras. And I said I really wanted a Supra. So now it shows how far our friendship has come. And then
So I can tell you, amen, you have to fix this.
hey man, no cursing in my videos. Demonetized.
It's nice,
I
right?
just feel like I'm too big.
Yeah. Yeah, because you're
Not
like
saying anything about amen. Amen is pretty tall. I'm just a little wide.
Yeah, you're more stocky, bro. I've slimmed down. You guys, I went down from 220 to 200 pounds. I lost 20
I want to
pounds.
be 220.
You want to be what are you at right now?
238.
Oh, you're not that far off, bro. You drop the weight like nothing because it's all water weight in the beginning. But yeah, I want to be slim. I want to be like Sticks again.
I'm trying to be like Amen and start uploading on YouTube again.
Yeah, you really should. I have a serious question for you guys.
What happened?
Supra or M6? Which one would you take?
I have a preference.
I'll get that, but at the coupe, not the Grand Coupe.
I would get that because that's what made me like BMW.
Alright, fair enough. I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, I barely fit in that thing. I'm mad long. Hey!
Hey, yo!
Yeah, take it like that.
Nah, honestly,
When I drove it to where? Keys?
yeah, you drove it to Keys.
Yeah, it wasn't a bad ride.
Yeah. Honestly,
that was before you did everything you did to it.
yeah, that was before everything. I would take the Supra. I feel like the Supra just kind of, well, even just from like a look, bro, this thing just looks,
It is
I don't know.
sexy.
it just looks
I'm
special.
not being that young guy. What can I say?
It just looks special. There's something about it that just looks really special.
Special.
This is what happens when you have Dominican friends.
I gotta practice this thing. I feel like I'm about to drop it.
I don't drop any balls. That just breaks thumbs. Reason my career
Man,
ended.
why?
The-
I think it's like falling out of my hands, bro.
Straight out of DR.
You could take the Dominican out of DR, but you can't take the Dominican out of me.
I think this is just proving what people prefer. They're taking pictures of the M6. I don't know. I'd still take a Supra, just looks wise only. I mean, this also looks pretty crazy.
One ambition, one day.
Bro, one day.
Let me hear the full start on this shit.
I mean, it's not gonna be cold. You wanna hear it?
Yo, fun fact, the fast car on the whip was a 358. The M3, with my son, yes. Fastest I ever.
They wanna hear it.
I just love 358, that's it.
Alright guys, we've been out here for way too long. You guys are still over there talking about I don't know what. It is almost 1 a.m. so I gotta go home. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop it a like. I don't know how this is gonna end up. This is the most random video I ever made, I think.
Don't worry, mine doesn't even have an ending, and it's gonna stay like that.
At least mine has an ending. A happy one? That's for you to determine.
Close your door. I farted.
Oh, did you actually? He said he farted. All right, guys. If you enjoyed this video, drop it a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. This is Times Square right now.
I'm not gonna lie, there are genius that work here.
Yeah,
Everybody took their phones out.
that's a fact. It's gonna make it my YouTube video.
I don't mind if you don't listen that much, but some of y'all don't listen at all. The same they be pushing your buttons. Got a grown man have